Since we're getting a new CNC machine, we're going to need to be more productive.
Well, you're absolutely right, Patrick. To save time and money, let's design fixtures for this. Fixtures are going to make us more accurate and repeatable while manufacturing. We need a fixture for this. Fixture for this. Fixture for this. We need a fixture for this.
I did hear the call. We need a more efficient fixture for the 144 parts. You ready to design, build, and test this fixture? You want to do an 80s montage?
I can't think of anything that I would rather do.
I think we can both agree that the most efficient way for us to design this fixture is such that every operation of each part can be machined on the same fixture.
I agree, but we'll have to be clever in how we organize them on the stock metal that we have for making this fixture, since we have a lot of limited space.
I'm sure there's a way we can orient everything to be able to machine each operation of every part on the same fixture. We also need to make sure that we hold the parts according to their datum structure on the drawings.
That's going to change how we orient the rails and the pins, but due to our limited space, we may need to have some rails double as tertiary datums for some of the other parts.
We will also need to be sure to clamp against the rails in order not to dent the parts.
And the fixture should be able to withstand the cutting force from the tool so that it doesn't deform and put the part out of spec.
We can calculate that and use FEA to check deformation of our fixture. I think another good design idea, thinking of manufacturing ease, is if we can just rotate every part one position clockwise when switching from after operation 1 for the fixture to operation 2.
We can also add an indicating band for lining the fixture up on the machine. I think we've got a great design for this, man.
Bingo bango, let's machine it. Machining this had its challenges.
Yeah, I accidentally ran the spot drill all the way through the plate on our first try, so had to restart. But then the second time, the only thing that went wrong was I chamfered inside the contour on one section, but that was a quick and easy fix, and in the end, we had a working fixture.
I've never lined up and set origins on a CNC machine before. Indicating, probing, and setting origins takes forever.
Welcome to my life. Proving out the code for each part took a little while, and we threw a few parts. But, other than buzzing the top off the top of our clamps and our rails, everything went well.
Indeed we did. And the tooling forces pushed our fixture out of alignment, so we had to re-indicate it.
You shut up about all the indicating, it was necessary.
The first part we threw was due to a huge depth of cut on the face mill tool on the top op wire. The next part we threw was due to the same thing on a pocket cut on the middle op1. When running the bottom op2 code, we had some collision with the bottom op1 and cut off some of the raw stock of the bottom op1.
After re-indicating, we ran all of our fixed code and finally ended up with great parts. We ended up with a working fixture design, but there's always something to be improved. Can you think of anything, Ryan?
Well, to begin with, we could have given more clearance to the bottom op1 clamp so that it wouldn't collide with the locating rail for the middle op2 position.
Yeah, another improvement would be engraving which position is which on the fixture to make it a little easier for the 144 kids to see what they're doing.
Yeah, we could also make a drain channel so that the coolant would drain out of the pool we designed in the middle of our fixture.
What are you talking about? I loved the pool. We also could have put the parts farther apart so that the tools would have more room and we could have avoided more collisions.